StarClick tutorial.
How to make money with StarClick. Watch ads and get paid. Invite friends and get commission. Upgrade to gold membership or platinum to get HTML code. HTML code comes with ads. If someone open and view the ads, you get paid. Let's jump on the video.
Register with your email address. Choose strong password. And always type this 4 numbers. Let me show you how to view ads. Open. Scroll down. Click Open. Make sure you wait until the page load full. You can invite friends and relatives. Open. Scroll down. Copy this links and paste on any social platforms. Once someone get registered with your StarClick links, you get commission. If someone get registered using your links, you get commission of 0.08 cents. If he upgrade to gold membership, you get commission of $5. If he upgrade to platinum, you get $10. How to use HTML code. HTML code should be used on your web page or website. If you do not have a web page, you can create one for free. On www.weebly.com or www.wix.com, you will need to copy and paste the HTML code to the source section of your web page. This is where you want to display the ads. Once the ads are displayed on your web page, you get paid each time your visitors click the ads on your web page, and you can see the balance on this page. Scroll down. Copy this HTML code and paste on your website. Once someone visit your site and view the ads, you get paid.
Payout. Open. Scroll down. Choose your payment method. PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer and Western Union.
Withdrawal maximum is $50. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You are blessed. Goodbye.